day, happy travelers. Seven Continents Travel Agency here today talking about Black Friday preview sales. Today is Friday, November 8th, and we have finally made it to the first seasonal cruise line Black Friday sale, or so they say. The purpose of this video is to show you the prices that are being published by Royal Caribbean Black Friday preview sale. Princess Cyber sale. Cyber Monday is normally after Thanksgiving. They want to, hey, Royal Caribbean, I see you in your Black Friday. I'll do a cyber sale. Norwegian Cruise Line, not to be left out. Look at this. Black Friday preview sale. Are you kidding me? Carnival, you got 63 hours to save on triple perks. All right, you got, wait. Celebrity, Black Friday preview sale. MSC, are they doing anything? Nah, not really, but $199 on a cruise from Orlando, New York City. So you got, it doesn't say Black Friday, but it is a flash sale. So, hey, what does that mean to the bottom line? Last year, there were 3 Black Friday events, the first one occurring in middle October, and yet there was only one of the 3 that was a true sale. So what I'm going to do is whip around the 3 main regions. We're going to talk about Europe, Caribbean, Alaska, and we're also going to compare prices against the peak season. So for Alaska, you got before summer, and then after summer. We're going to do Caribbean, a little bit more complicated in the Caribbean. You got before spring break, in between spring break, summer break, and then hurricane season. And then we'll talk about Thanksgiving and Christmas as well. And then lastly, because I'm going to be doing all these prices comparing against everybody, we will compare Carnival, Norwegian, and Royal Caribbean against each other, against those same peak seasons. So let's start at the beginning. There's a lot to talk about. And I ran the numbers, just everybody. We got MSC, Costa, Princess, anybody who publishes prices. And right now, for the Europe season, the prices are currently low. We got $672 for the summer season, and that's what it's been for a long time. So we're not like breaking records or anything like that. As a matter of fact, Royal Caribbean was actually cheaper after the summer season than they are today. So it's about $10 higher today. So if you're looking to go to Europe, this event largely, and you can see how far back we go. We got the highs and the lows since for about a month now, and we're not breaking any records here. Let's narrow it down to the Caribbean. MSC is doing their flash sales, so all these low prices that you see here are their New York down to the Bahamas and their private island. So they actually are, since they've published and lowered the prices, they actually are the cheapest in the industry, and that pretty much goes across the board all the way through Thanksgiving. So actually, these are the lowest prices that we've seen since we've done this. The high that we've seen was $582. We're currently at $378 for an inside. The high for the balcony room was $818, so we're at $640. So that's also against the high. $670 is the lowest we've seen for a balcony before Memorial Day, $450 for the inside as well. So if you're looking to go Caribbean on the cheap and you're not loyal to a particular brand, right now is probably a good time to look, because these are the cheap. And you know what, MSC actually has a pretty good policy on canceling. I booked one for spring break. You can cancel, you get your deposit back. During COVID, it was a little harder to get your deposit back, but right now it's pretty easy. Let's see Alaska. If you want to go to Alaska, right now, I can tell you that this event did not impact the Black Friday sales, did not impact the prices for Alaska in any season. So let's compare the big 3 against each other, and you'll see dates up here at the very top, 11/6, 11/7, 11/8. And is Royal Caribbean, they're in yellow, so 3 days ago they were $732, $645, and now $627. So they are cheaper today, but we also got to consider that the previous days they were offering $50 per person double occupancy for an inside room. So day over day, it is not that much cheaper. As a matter of fact, you could say it's more expensive, but it is cheaper than it was a couple days ago, all the same. And as a matter of fact, all the way down the board here for the Caribbean sailings, you can see that the inside rooms, the savings were marginal. Where you might see a little bit more bang for your buck is certainly the balcony rooms. So we got $670, we got $935 to $810. If you're looking to go on spring break, $935 to $810, that's $120 per person. The balcony OBC was $75, so that's an additional $50. That's pretty good. That's now that is a sale. Same thing if you're looking to go between spring break and summer break before the kids get out of school. Should be nice and peaceful, unless they take their kids out of school like I'm doing to my kid next week to go on a Disney cruise. But let's not talk about that. So anyway, that's $120, $1340. So there is some savings all across the board on Royal Caribbean, even through Thanksgiving and Christmas. Now, what does that do to Carnival? So we see here $369. Carnival is a little bit of an outlier here. Well, I mean, as you saw on their website, it's just triple perks, and you got 63 hours to enjoy triple perks. All right, well, that's not really savings in the big scheme of things. Balcony rooms, $829, $809 day over day. Matter of fact, they kind of raised their prices incrementally, $674 to $809. $874 to $869, marginal, $979, $994. So that's whatever. It's kind of not really doing anything. Let's take a look at Norwegian Cruise Line again. Black Friday preview sale. What does that mean? Higher prices, $1038 to $1050. We got $1210, $1210, $1210, $1366 all across the board, $1496. But hey, after summer, if you're looking to go on a nice fall break before Thanksgiving, $1322 for a balcony, so that's about a $140 savings there. There you go. They removed their Thanksgiving prices for today. Could not even pull that from the travel agent site this morning. So anyway, $1276 so that's that. So let's compare the big three. Maybe you're going to Alaska. Let's scroll down here and we'll take a look at the Alaska prices. So it was $818 for Royal Caribbean pre-season before Memorial Day, and it is today $623. Okay, we got some savings. Balcony room, $120 off. $872 if you're looking to go to during peak season for Royal Caribbean. $872, $872, $785 today. So it's about $90. That's better than OBC. $759 before Black Friday event if you're looking to go to Alaska in September. Pretty much is Royal Caribbean sailings there. So you got $759, $759, $671 today. So again, more savings. Balcony rooms, $1140, $1015. We're working backwards here. $1503, $1398 if you're looking to go during peak season. So $1398 is the savings. So if we were to paraphrase what we observed today, is Royal Caribbean having a Black Friday sale? Yeah. We can confirm that Carnival not only is not advertising a Black Friday sale, their prices confirm they're not having a Black Friday sale. And Norwegian Cruise Lines says they're having a Black Friday sale, but that's not in the observed popular regions for any measurable time frame that we're looking at. So I hope that helps. If you're looking to go on a cruise and you saw a destination that piqued your interest, take a look at their website. If you have any questions, happy to help. And until the next video, we'll keep track of the prices, help save you and, frankly, me money. Till the next time, travel safe.